Hey dudes, today we're going to be fitting new brake rotors to this MY99 WRX. Now when it comes to brake consumables, there's a massive amount of options out there. It can get confusing which ones to choose, but the ones we're going to be fitting today are these DBA 4000 Series T3 slotted rotors. These are a high carbon content rotor. They're best matched with a high friction brake pad. Anyway, look, they're really easy to put on. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. What's stopping us? Let's just do it. Alright, so we've got the car jacked up, got the stands under it, got the wheels off obviously, and let's get the rotors off and swap them over. So the first thing we need to do is to take off the caliper. So we just need to do 17mm bolts at the back. Alright, I need to have a caliper hook ready, so we can hang the caliper out of the way. Alright, so we just swing it up there like that. And I'm just going to use a axle stand to support here at the bottom. Like that. Okay, now the rotor will just pull straight off, like that, off with our old rotor. Now this is the most important thing of this whole process, to clean the hub mounting plate, because if we don't, we're going to get a stack up of tolerances here. We're going to get some lateral run out on the rotor, and it's going to wear unevenly and give us DTV, or disc thickness variation, and that's going to give us pedal pulsation. I can't reiterate enough the importance of cleaning this plate. So let's do that now. Alright, so the hub's clean now. Now we can put the new rotor on. They come in a bag of desiccant. They're already painted on the non-contact surfaces. Okay, and they're not greased. So all we need to do is give them just a quick wipe on the brake surface with brake cleaner. If you don't have brake cleaner, just use thinners, and we can just slap them straight on. Don't let your solvent touch the paint, so it will melt it. This is just to get off any machining vanishing lube. Alright, so that's clean. Now just wipe the hub mounting surface in there, make sure there's no grit or swamp on it. Alright, that's it, we can slam it straight on now. Boom, like that. Now we can just put that caliper back into place. And that's as easy as just taking the weight off it. Getting our stand out of the way. Get rid of our hook. back into place. Like that. 2 17mm headed retainers for the back. That's it. The brake goes back in its right spot. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on to the other side. That's the second front one on. Now let's move on to the back. Alright dudes, the back's essentially the same. The retainers on the back of the caliper are 14 heads on this one, not 17, so we've got to use another spinner, but other than that, it's basically the same thing. So we're just going to rip it off. Caliper's tight, make sure the hose is settled in the right spot. That's it guys, first rear one. Go around the other side and do the other one now. So that's done. That's the last rotor on the car guys, so effectively the job's finished. We've just got to slap the wheels back on now and put the car back on the ground. And we can drive way off into the sunset. Well guys, now we've got our DBA T3 slot 4000 series rotors fitted. It's a pretty simple job, eh? So thanks for tuning in, and as always, thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing, and we'll see you next time on this garage.